So far, I'm not seeing anything worth vlogging. I have packed a few things. Well, I can say anything that came with a box, I have packed so far, except the oven. It's raining outside, so and the curtains are drawn back, so it's pretty dark. That's why the lights are on. So down here, I don't know if you can see, that's the suitcase. I'm putting my clothes there. So I am doing this alone, guys. It is not easy at all. These are the boxes I was telling you about. That gunia over there, that has my shoes. That's the blender. There's the microwave. Okay guys, the rains have subsided, at least. As you can see behind me, that is a lot of mess. My first trip. These are dirty clothes. I figured instead of wasting space, I used the laundry basket to put more clean items there. Here's the suitcase. It also has some clothes, and the boot also has the boxes I was telling you about. Well, in all fairness, I will show you what the front looks like. It's my guitar, my camera bag, just an assortment really of a lot of things. I think I'd already shown you the back, so let's go. The house was cleaned, so that makes it a lot easier for me. I'm really trying to see how to hold this camera in the best way. So yeah, this is my new crib. It's not as big as well I'd prefer, but I'm looking at a lot of other things. There's better security here. So far there's no water issues. By the way, Bondo, the thing to think about is water. Then in that priority, water than security, because water is life, man. As in, I had jerry cans. I've lived with them for like 4 years actually. I recently gave them up. Oh, the other house I'm living, I moved to this year, January. So I barely finished a year. And I've not even told you why I was moving. Actually, the main reason I was moving is because I got robbed. Story for another day. I will explain the details later. Let's go. This is the corridor, if I may. There's the mirror. Hello. I'm holding this phone. Wow, crazy. Okay. And here's the kitchen. Guys, are you ready for this? Like, check that out. Look at all the detail and the socket for the cooker. Those are the surfaces, the cupboard. Anyway, here's my face again. I'm really trying, guys. See, I've explained my whole camera issue already. Annabelle, I hope you're having fun, because this is so hard. Doing this and unpacking. I've actually left my car open. Wait, I need to go. But real quickly, here is the bedroom. Ta-da! I don't know how much you can see. Here, so these are the wardrobes. And the side. Yeah, so basically that's it. I'm gonna show you more as I proceed, but I'm probably gonna work more, so we'll meet many hours, couple hours from now. What's up, guys? It's pretty late. I finally finished moving. It's a lot of work. I'm so tired. I mean, just look at me. It looks so beat. I was doing everything alone, so it was pretty hard, and then I had not packed earlier. You know that you can pre-pack your things in like labeled boxes. Anyway, my neighbor is really cool. Actually, it's a couple. So the lady, she brought me ndazis to eat. Aki, I just gave her this hug. She couldn't believe I was hugging her because of ndazi. But guys, that ndazi was a lifesaver. As in, given I'd not cooked anything, I was not planning to cook. I didn't have anything. I was hungry. So yeah. Oh, sorry. If you've noticed, I'm actually sleeping on the floor. I have not even put the bed together, but there's a good reason for that, guys. I'm giving away the other bed, and so my new bed should be here in a week's time. So, but you know what? I've always loved sleeping on the floor. Like, since I can remember. I'm laughing because I hear this line in every YouTube video, and I was like, I'm gonna try this one day when I ever vlog. But really, it's a genuine concern. Do you think people should sleep on the floor? It's always good to hear as many perspectives as possible. Thank you so much for clicking the play button and checking this video out. I really appreciate. Good night. Hey guys, so just a quick update. I am finally getting my bed today. I'm so excited, you guys. The seats came in sometime last week. Yeah, I think on Monday, which look really nice. I'll show you right now. Yeah. So I was actually pretty impressed that I can get such quality in the town that I live, because many people to date still prefer to go to Kisumu or Nairobi, just, you know, these big cities, and they kind of overlook these small towns, well, because they're still growing. But hey, happy me, I got nice seats. That fundi is so awesome. In case you may want to know his shop, I'll definitely leave his details down below. My bed is downstairs. Finally gonna be sleeping on a bed. I will definitely show you when it gets here.